Friends, hit the brakes for just a second. Forget about the phone currently in your pocket. I want you to take a journey back in time, 10 years back. That was a different era. A time when only one name dominated the mobile world. A name that commanded respect the moment you heard it. A name that was a synonym for absolute durability. Back then, holding that phone in your palm gave you the feeling that this device was built to stand by your side for a lifetime. And then, silence. A sudden, deafening silence. The frantic race of modern technology took over, and that legendary name faded into the mist of our memories. Everyone thought the king had fallen. But friends, the greatest quality of time is that it changes. And 2026 is the year that silence is shattered by an explosion so loud, it's sending shockwaves through the entire tech industry. From New York to Beijing, from Tokyo to Dubai, everyone is talking about one name. Because, friends, the king is returning. Introducing the Nokia Magic Max 5G. And believe me, this isn't just a smartphone. This is Nokia throwing down the gauntlet to every company that currently thinks they own the throne. Today, we are going to perform an X-ray on this phone that will leave you absolutely stunned. We're dissecting everything, from its titanium skeleton to the raw power pulsing through its veins, from its optics to the heartbeat that keeps it alive. So, buckle up, because the biggest suspense in the mobile world is finally being revealed. Let's dive in. Design and display. The first thing that will floor you is the build quality. Look, in today's market, every phone claims to be premium. But you won't truly understand the definition of premium until you hold this device for the first time. Nokia didn't use standard aluminum or cheap steel here. This is aerospace-grade titanium. We are talking about the same material used in space shuttles and rockets to withstand thousands of degrees of heat. This phone is a tank. You could drop it from a roof, drag it across the asphalt, or have a car run over it. The floor might crack, but this phone will remain unscathed. But the real magic, that's in the window through which you view the world, the display. Nokia has packed a 6.85-inch LTPO 4.0 Super AMOLED panel. These aren't just marketing numbers, this is sorcery that puts every other flagship to shame. Talking about the refresh rate, it dynamically adjusts from 1 Hz all the way to 144 Hz. If you're just scrolling through WhatsApp, it drops to save battery. The second you launch a high-octane game, it hits top gear instantly, smooth, fluid, and without a single stutter. And the brightness, honestly, you might think I'm making this up, 4500 nits peak brightness. To put that in perspective, the world's most expensive phones currently max out between 2500 and 3000 nits. This is nearly double, whether you are standing under the blazing noon sun in the middle of the Mojave Desert or sitting in an open-top car, every single pixel remains perfectly crisp. To top it off, it features Gorilla Glass Armor 2, which cuts screen reflections by 75%. Plus, it carries an IP69 rating. We aren't talking about simple water splashes, we're talking about high-pressure hot water jets and total dust resistance. You could practically take this thing into the shower with you, though, maybe stick to just using it by the pool. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the department that has the experts losing their minds, the camera. On the back, you'll find a massive triple camera module headlined by a 300-megapixel main sensor. Yes, you heard that right. 300. This isn't just a specs war. Nokia has utilized Samsung's ISOCELL-HP7 sensor, the most advanced piece of imaging tech ever made. The pixel size is so massive that it drinks in light, allowing you to shoot in near total darkness without ever needing a flash. The image processing engine here uses advanced AI to reconstruct textures, meaning you can zoom in on a person standing a mile away and still see the expressions on their face, zero blur, all detail. Accompanying this is a 50-megapixel periscope lens that delivers 10x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. You could literally photograph the craters on the moon or count the feathers on a bird from a kilometer away. For the vloggers, it shoots 8K video at 60 FPS. Your content isn't just going to look professional, it's going to look like a full-blown Hollywood cinematic production. The stabilization is so good that you could be sprinting, and the footage will look like it was captured on a professional gimbal. Performance. Let's open the hood and talk about raw power. Inside this beast beats the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, the world's most advanced 2nm chipset. To put that in layman's terms, you could have 50 apps running simultaneously, jump to the 50th, go back to the first, and it will be exactly where you left it. No lag, no hang, just pure, unadulterated performance. For the gamers, Nokia developed Vapor Chamber Cooling 2.0. It dissipates heat so efficiently that even after hours of hardcore gaming, playing titles that push phones to their absolute limits, the device doesn't cross 38 degrees Celsius. Your hands stay cool, and your frame rates stay sky high. Software. Nokia is leaning into simplicity as its greatest strength. You get a pure Android 17 experience, exactly how Google intended. No bloatware, no junk pre-installed apps, no invasive ads. Just you and your phone. With 16 GB of LPDDR6 RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage, you're essentially carrying a high-performance supercomputer in your pocket. Battery life. Now, for the department where Nokia stands alone, the battery. While current flagships are struggling to survive on 5000 mAh, Nokia has stuffed a massive 7500 mAh battery into this slim chassis. This is silicon carbon battery tech, safer, more dense, and built to last for years. A regular user could easily go 2 full days without seeing a charger. And if you do run low, don't sweat it, you get a 120-watt supersonic charger in the box. It goes from 0 to 100 in just 18 to 20 minutes. Go brew a cup of coffee, and by the time you're back, you're fully juiced up. Plus, we've got 50-watt wireless charging and 10-watt reverse charging. Satellite connectivity. And let's talk about the satellite connectivity. This is a literal lifesaver. For the hikers, the explorers, or anyone venturing into the deep wilderness where cellular signals go to die, you can send SOS messages directly via satellite. No cell towers, no Wi-Fi, just pure, life-saving connection. This adds a layer of safety that makes the Magic Max not just a tool for social media, but a legitimate survival companion. Price and final verdict. Now, the million-dollar question, the price. Compare this to an iPhone 17 Pro Max or a Samsung S26 Ultra. Those prices are touching the sky, well over $1,500. While other brands are charging you a premium just for their logo, Nokia is making a massive power play. The expected price of the Nokia Magic Max 5G is between $800 and $900. For that price, you're getting tech that competitors are charging double for. The titanium build, the 300-megapixel camera, 144Hz display, 7500 mAh battery, it's an absolute steal. So, here is my final take. This phone isn't just a gadget. It's a statement. It's Nokia telling the world, the king is not dead. If you're tired of following the crowd and you want to be part of a legacy built on strength and reliability, this phone was made for you. Now, I have a question for you. Are you ready to retire your current iPhone or Samsung and switch to the returning king? Do you think Nokia has what it takes to reclaim the #1 spot? And most importantly, does this look like a $900 value to you? Drop your raw, honest opinions in the comments below. I want to read every single one of them.